How to keep Windows 11 calculator always on top. Hey everyone, welcome to HowToBrowser YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy process to keep your calculator always on top. So now, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to this icon right over here, and here please type calculator and open the app. Right, and as you can see, there's no button to activate this option, but in fact there is an option. There is a option here to keep the calculator always on top. As you can see, it's this button. You can always use the shortcut, and now it's positioned right over here. So now let me show you. When you have a browser, whatever you have is not, the calculator is always on top. If you want to disable that, tap on app and okay, tap on app, and now the alt, and instead of up button is the alt and down button, you know. But now it's up again and down and up again, down. So app, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. I love doing this. I love shortcuts, not gonna lie. I love learning shortcuts for some reason. So yeah, just tap on this button. But if you want to shortcuts as me, just love shortcuts. I think it's beautiful. It's awesome. You know, I just love shortcuts. If you know any other shortcuts, useful shortcuts, I mean all the shortcuts are useful in fact, well, please let me know in the comments down below. Comment if you know any other shortcuts for Windows 11 or any other browser, wherever. Just tell me shortcuts, guys. I love shortcuts. I think I already told you that, but I love shortcuts. So now I need to practice the shortcuts. So that's what I'm going to do. Up and down, up, alt, tap on alt, and the arrow that is down, like it's called up. Arrow up, like, okay, alt and up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down. But while I'm doing up and down, I hold the alt. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Yeah, I just love shortcuts. Are very useful. So that's the end of this video. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.